got you a ribbon for Christmas. Lily, what's here? Oh, a new shoe. Hey?
Watch out, Beck.
Oh, new shoes. Oh, they're nice. You gonna put them on? Put your new shoes on. Put your new shoes on. They're beautiful. Very special. They're a bit big though. Oh, lovely. Look at these. Nice. And what's this? Can you open it? Pull this one. Ooh, what's this? Some pajamas. Oh, new pajamas. Oh, how divine. Nice? Gonna wear them tonight? Yeah. Will they go with the new shoes? Show Nana your new shoes. Show Nana. And that's everything now. New shoes, pajamas, chockies. Now that your advent calendar's run out. Chockies. Wow. Say bye to everyone. Happy Christmas.